नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे आजच्या या नवीन व्हिडिओमध्ये आणि शिवम राऊत 988 या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती. आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत क्लास 12th बायोलॉजीचा चॅप्टर 1 रिप्रोडक्शन इन लोअर अँड हायर प्लांट्सचे महत्त्वाचे 20 मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन्स. व्हिडिओ पूर्ण नक्की बघा आणि तुमचे 20 पैकी किती उत्तरे बरोबर आली ते मला शेवटी कमेंट करून नक्की सांगा. चला तर मग सुरू करूया. क्लास 12th बायोलॉजी महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड चॅप्टर नंबर 1 रिप्रोडक्शन इन लोअर अँड हायर प्लांट्स. MCQ नंबर 1. Insect pollinated flowers usually possesses. Answer is B. Sticky pollen with rough surface. MCQ number 2. In owl, meiosis occurs in. Answer is D. Megaspore mother cell. MCQ number 3. The ploidy level is not the same in. Answer is C. Secondary nucleus and endosperm. MCQ number 4. Which type requires pollination but results are genetically similar to autogamy? Answer is B. Zoetonogamy. MCQ number 5. If diploid chromosome number is 12, which structure will have 6 chromosomes? Answer is D. Synergids. MCQ number 6. Endosperm is formed by. Answer is C. Polar nuclei and male gamete. MCQ number 7. Point out the odd one. Answer is D. Pollen grain. MCQ number 8. Monothecous anther contains dash dash pollen sacs. Answer is B. 2. MCQ number 9. In mature anther, fibrous thickening occurs in. Answer is B. Endothecium. MCQ number 10. The outer wall of pollen grain is called. Answer is C. Exine. MCQ number 11. Sporopollenin is present in. Answer is B. Exine. MCQ number 12. The embryo sac is usually dash dash nucleate. Answer is C. 8. MCQ number 13. The egg apparatus consists of. Answer is A. Egg plus 2 synergids. MCQ number 14. Double fertilization is characteristics of dash dash. Answer is D. Angiosperms. MCQ number 15. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma is called. Answer is B. Pollination. MCQ number 16. Pollination by wind is called. Answer is C. Anemophily. MCQ number 17. Pollination by insects is called. Answer is A. Entomophily. MCQ number 18. Fusion of male gamete with egg is called. Answer is B. Syngamy. MCQ number 19. Triple fusion result in formation of. Answer is C. Primary endosperm nucleus. MCQ number 20. Development of fruit without fertilization is called. Answer is C. Parthenocarpy. तर मित्रांनो, तुमचे 20 पैकी किती उत्तरं बरोबर आली हे मला कमेंट करून नक्की सांगा. भेटूया पुढच्या चॅप्टरच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत ऑल द बेस्ट.